was written and directed by Stephen Susco, and the main characters are Matthias O'Brien, Amaya De Soto, Damon Horton, Narija Messin, Serena Lunch, AJ Jeffcock, and more. Unfriended Dark Web is about a man named Matthias O'Brien who used a laptop he finds, and little did he know it was owned by hackers. Unfriended Dark Web is about a man. The ICT trends that are tackled in the film are social networks. Matthias O'Brien used FB to connect with his friends and his girlfriend, and they also mentioned Twitter, which belongs to microblogging. Internet threats that are tackled in the film are cybercrime and hacking, where hackers in the film they break into the main characters' devices and steal their personal information and use it against them. The lesson I learned from watching the Unfriended Dark Web is don't use a laptop you just find somewhere or a stolen laptop, because it can put you at risk, just like what happened to Matthias O'Brien. He used a laptop without knowing that the real owner is a hacker, and just buy a laptop on your own at the mall. The second thing I learned is be careful what you share online, because internet is not safe as it seems, and be careful what you share online.